Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.
Let's begin.
Right. It's aggressive.
It's very aggressive.
That's very aggressive.
Dogs are very aggressive.
You're being very aggressive, Jared.
Springfield has a very aggressive beaver.
Engaging hostile bobbleheads.
It's your obvious hostilities.
Your hostile takeover of Earth.
Why so hostile, Nathan?
Hostile cylinders detected.
I guess a hostile work environment.
Sure. Hey, hostile work environment.
Why, it's very annoying.
Annoying. He's very, very annoying.
They're also very annoying.
It's very annoying, as promised.
You're very annoying.
You're infuriating. Infuriating, really.
Ugh, Liser's infuriating.
Was equally infuriating.
Infuriating how mindless prepackaged.
They just terrified a very gullible, anxious child.
Normally I'm very anxious today.
You're right, she is anxious. She's very anxious.
Anxious to learn your secrets.
I've written to your mother. She's very anxious. Naturally.
Bro, why so jittery?
That's why he's so jittery all the time.
I'm a little jittery.
Well, yes, I'm feeling jittery.
Everyone's jittery, then you show him confidence.
Don't get jittery, Luke. There's a lot of command ships.
If I don't pick a lock, I get all jittery. I'm all, how did I...
It's just that he has a very bad temper.
Well, he just has a bad temper sometimes.
My husband doesn't know. He has a bad temper.
Mrs. Hill, would you say your husband has a bad temper?
Somebody's grumpy today.
Grumpy wumpy.
Right. I'm grumpy.
I'm sleepy. And together.
You're a grumpy, Figment.
You know, your husband's awful grumpy. Aye, aye, Captain Grumpy.
They're sort of grumpy.
Very small community with a very big heart.
Big hearts, not big budgets.
This guy right here, he's got a big heart.
Kind-hearted bun.
Bunch of big-hearted dum-dums.
Generous?
So generous.
That's so generous.
Hey, that's so generous.
That is so generous.
That is so generous of you.
Potatoes are very bland. The tuna was a very big piece and it was very bland.
Really bland.
It's a little bland.
Flavor. It was a very, very bland dish.
Tasteless.
For these dry, tasteless eggs.
The cake is a tasteless foe.
Yeah, we need something tasty and tasteless.
Even if her choice is just tasteless shortbread.
A tasteless cash grab and a slap in the face to the victims' families.
You're very brave.
Oh, right. Brave.
You're very brave.
You're very brave.
You are all very brave.
You were very brave.
Courageous.
So courageous.
It's true.
So great.
And courageous enough to open my...
Courage. Courage.
Courage.
I got courage. Very calmly.
It's supposed to be very calming.
I'm laying.
Calm.
Screaming calm. Screaming. I'm calm.
Compose yourself, Miss Bourgeois.
Remember to remain composed.
Compose yourself mentally.
There. Compose yourself, citizen. We understand.
Composed.
Very carefully.
Be very careful.
Listen very carefully.
And be very, very careful.
Now listen very carefully.
Patient.
Cautious.
Be cautious. We must be cautious.
Cautious. Good point.
We must be cautious.
We must move cautiously.
Must be cautious. Why?
Very clever.
Very clever.
Very clever.
It's very clever. And technical savvy.
Thanks.
The savvy defense lawyer.
Sold to the savvy shopper. She's totally spoiled and snobby. Rarity's such a savvy business pony. I hadn't realized you were such a savvy business pony.
Yeah, your family is very colorful.
Macarons are very colorful and vibrant and
Colorful.
Well, it's very colorful and hurtful.
and vibrant as they are.
Oh, it's so luminous and vibrant.
It's so vibrant.
Vibrant, full of life.
And vibrant.
And a vibrant relationship.
The heat of a very competitive Halo game.
You're a very competitive person.
I'm sorry, I'm very competitive.
Sorry, I'm competitive.
Show business can be very competitive, so...
Be fierce! Be cutthroat!
With all the cutthroat nonsense.
It's competition. It's cutthroat. It's an extremely competitive, cutthroat sport. Mike, you're the cutthroat campaign manager.
Not as cutthroat.
Here, it's very
Everyone's internet activity is a very complex.
But it's a very complex situation.
Your financial affairs are very complex.
I'm very complex. Don't try and get me.
Intricate lyrics.
Such an intricate formicarium.
Could perform such intricate motions.
Such finely wrought, intricate beauty.
And set up an intricate system.
And look at this intricately carved disc.
It's very confusing.
I'm very confused.
I'm very confused.
I'm sorry. I'm very confused.
Sorry, I'm confused.
Strong words. Strong, bewildering words.
I'm as bewildered as you are.
I would bewilder you mere mortals, but we tell you the strange and bewildering tale of a hero.
Jessica, you look so bewildered. Oh, I must have misread the shooting schedule.
Yeah, you got that bewildered look. I know.
Brilliant. Very convincing.
Convincing?
Oh!
Very convincing.
Very convincing stuff.
That was very convincing.
That doesn't sound very convincing.
Missing argument persuasive or baseball bat persuasive?
He's very persuasive.
We've tried persuasion, charm.
Manon can be pretty persuasive sometimes.
Ashes are more persuasive.
That's preposterous.
Several persuasive voicemails.
Thanks for coming.